Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Out here working on our wrap project. We got a piece we're going to do the fender with. We cut it out. We're all set. We got a little reveal here. We're going to pull it off. We're going to clean it with alcohol again, just like we always did. So let's take our magnets loose. Let's take this off and set it aside. And let's get this cleaned up. And we're going to do some trimming. Again, as always, isopropyl alcohol. Got our knives, got our scissor, our squeegee. Got some blue tape for positioning. We're going to use the magnets to start with. Let's put it up and get it fit and get it cut, because we're going to trim a piece off that goes up in here. Then we'll put our knife tape over here, because we do have a seam. Remember, we made the other piece vertical. This piece is horizontal. I'm going to take this out of here. Get our knife tape, put it up here. Again, that's the finish line Knifeless tape. I call it knife tape. Now we've got to position our piece of vinyl. What we want to do is we want to put our magnets down here, and we're going to peel some of this and get it started on here and work it that way as we peel it. So let's get you moved in a good spot. So got our magnets up here. If we spread them out some, it'll stop this from wanting to wiggle. Our scraper. What we're going to do is we're going to peel off some of this backing here. We can get it started. By pulling this down this way, we can then take this piece and roll it up. We're going to bring this around like this. Over this and kind of get a little stick. A little stick gives us a good spot, and we can take these off. Now we can pull this up And we take some of this and pull it. All the way up to here. So we can hold it like this. And come in here and start doing this. So now we have to come down here and find our knife tape. You can take our knife, our hand knife, and cut right here by our knife tape. Push this down, good. And we should be able to grab our knife tape, which is down here. That's going to bend under there. And we found before, if you can't get this to pull like that, you can't grab it. Surgical pliers. Grab your string, lock it good. And, did I break it? Yeah, I broke it. Then you got it. And that'll pull across there real nice. Then we can dig up this, pull up this other piece here. And get the knife tape. Don't forget to get that hidden green piece out. Then you can come in here and work it back. If you're worried about working it, not sitting quite right, little heat. There we go. So once we got this all figured out here, looks like we got a little bubble there. Get a little bubble where you don't want it. Prick it with a pin. push it in. Well, there you go. Now we can take this and push it in here. There we go. So there you go. That's on real nice. Now we got some hood hold downs we can add. We got a hole here and a hole here, hole here and a hole here. These holes are for the rubber stopper. And to get those in, you usually got to take a knife and trim it out nice. Because if you don't trim it out nice, the rubber won't go in. So the other piece goes up here on the hood. There we go. Some holes in there. Our tools back here. Again, now you put a washer on and that. And a washer. And that. Now they're on. So there you go. There's the look. Got the light back in. Got our hood hinge on. Starting to look like this corner's done. Pattern looks pretty nice. Let's take a walk around on it and show you what it looks like. So here you go. It's all tucked in up there. Come around this way. You can see how nice that looks. The pattern. Notice we got the trees running this way here because you really don't see them on this side, although we got some coming over. There's that seam that you can hardly notice. Remember, the fender flare comes up to here, so it's all you're going to see on the seam. And then we've got the rest of the Jeep. Well, there you go. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. We're going to be finishing around the windows on this thing. We'll go do the other fender without you. But hey, we're going to get her done, and it's going to look cool. Don't miss anything here. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Use the links down below to shop Amazon. Help support the channel, and you'll get more cool videos like this. Thanks a bunch. Really appreciate it. Think Jeep.